Sterling Hotel. This is it. Okay, zombies, you're in my way. You gotta go. Don't suppose there's a burger joint in here. Dead end. Hallelujah, I actually made it.
Whoa, I'm here to see Dr. Reed.
Oh, you are, huh? You're not here to eat us, then?
Think I've turned vegetarian.
Comedian, huh? They look human to you.
So.
Well, okay, then. Humans can be redeemed. Don't need to waste a bullet on this one. Hey, keep up the good work, Denise. Hey, I'm Dr. Reed, but you can call me Ruben. Let's talk in my office.
We spoke on the radio about the vaccine.
Hey, shh. Walk with me. I'm glad you made it. Really glad, but we gotta keep your specialness on the down low. If you really are what we've been looking for, then CDC's gonna want to talk to you. So...
Doctor, he doesn't want to take his shot.
Hey, Luther. Hey, don't worry. It's just gonna pinch a bit. Let's keep walking. Where was I?
CDC's gonna...
CDC, right. The CDC's gonna... Hey, I told you to stay off that foot. You want me to cut it off? Come on. Hey, come this way, huh? Now. So glad you're here. Now they're gonna send a chapter to pick you up and take you to Colorado. Just you. So, I don't want my people here getting hope when they got none. You understand?
Nice to feel wanted. What about all the rest of you?
Oh, we'll be okay. Fall over 9 times and you get up 10. That's what I always say. But you got a miracle in your blood. If we can get you to Colorado, humanity has a chance.
Okay. So, when does the chopper arrive?
Well, I need to let them know you're here first, and then yeah.
We're out of food. We need to sweep those apartments before someone else cleans them out.
No, Tisha, we gotta put that on hold. This person here is our new priority.
Hey, I'm Ryan.
They're more important than people starving?
Yeah, kind of. I can't really talk about it right now, but...
That's fine. Look, you stay here. I'm gonna go with these guys. We'll be back soon.
Hey, you do not go outside without me. They can handle it.
Hey, Doc, you know we ran out of food. What's the plan?
Dad! I am not a little girl anymore. I have to do my share.
Yeah. Obviously, you've lost your mind. There are terrorists out
just
there
let her
that
go,
you...
Doc. She wants to be part of the team.
Jimmy, I am talking to my daughter.
I'm
okay?
sick of talking. Jimmy's right. I need to do something.
After all that's happened, you think I'm gonna let you out of my sight?
Oh,
Huh?
come-
Gonna let you turn into one of them like your mother? Oh. Tisha, I'm sorry, but I can't lose you two.
You're right, Dad. I shouldn't put this on you. It's not fair.
Well, okay then. Come on.
See you later.
Yeah. Yeah, this is no place for human beings.
Hey, Doc, a word of advice. You want to stay top dog? You let your daughter take her chances just like everyone else.
Jimmy, I have got enough things to be focusing on without your bullshit.
Sure. Yeah. I'm gonna go for a smoke.
Yeah, you do that.
Fuck you looking at?
Your shirt. Brave choice.
Like, I need to radio CDC, but I don't want to draw too much attention to you, so... Look, you make yourself at home, and I should have some good news soon.
Sure.
Okay?
I'm gonna crash. I am totally whacked. And then I woke up, and it was all a dream.
He's not there. Someone got sick. I need to tell him about Bob.
Will Ruben be back soon?
Fucking better be. Bob's taking way too long.
Who's Bob?
Janitor for this place. If you tried taking a shower, you'd know the water's out. Bob went to get it back on.
I could take a look while I'm waiting.
Are my ears working? Did someone just offer to help out? That would be great. We won't last long without fresh water. Bob was headed for the janitor's office, downstairs behind the stores.
Okay, I'll see what happened. So, looks like the main valve is in the boiler room off the basement parking lot. Guess Bob went there. Sorry, Bob. I'll finish the job for you, okay? Ooh, maybe I do need a shower. Bob won't be coming back.
I figured.
But I got the water back on.
Oh, yeah? That helps. A lot. You know, there's plenty of other folks missing. A whole bunch of them on the notice board over there.
Maybe I'll take a look.
Ruben's back in his office. You wanted him, right?
Yeah, thanks. Hey, Ruben.
Hey, there you go. Now keep the eyes shut. 12 hours, no light, okay?
Good news then?
Not really. The CDC isn't calling the shots anymore. The military have taken command, and they won't extract you until they have proof of your immunity.
What the fuck?
They're just so paranoid about the virus escaping from LA. They know they can't contain it if it gets out.
So what, we send a video of zombies chewing on me?
Nothing quite so crude as that. But we have to test you. But my equipment is at the CDC HQ by Santa Monica Pier.
And I was looking forward to a drink at the bar. Okay, I'll go.
Oh, I don't know. I don't think you should go alone.
It's okay. I am immune. I can look after myself. Hey, we fell over. We have to get up again, right?
Right.
Tell them I'll be back. With proof.
Is someone shouting? You're the one person.
Into the filth.
Oh, become a stripper, she said. See the world, she said. Break into a zombie-infested CDC ghost town and test your blood, she said.
There we go. CDC main gate.
CDC in PPE. Whoopee. They are sitting in a caustic puddle. Not a fucking care. Tanks of caustic X on their backs.
Go. Unaccounted for? You poor, dumb bastards. They were hiding underground the whole damn time.
tore its way out of a body bag. Oh. Oh. Nice. Real nice. Diagnosis for the living. What about the dead? Dead piled high in body bags. Down in the sewers, these autophage. These aren't body bags. They're fucking grow bags. Whatever ripped its way out of that morgue rack came down here and ripped its way through the staff. You poor bastards. Too late. You realize too late.
Good evening, Dr. Dorian. Please enter your authorization code. You have 1 attempt remaining.
A code? Come on, this is the 21st... Can't I just, rip out an eye or hack off a thumb or a nose or... Okay, how do I find this Dr. Dorian?
Dorian was working on specimen type Echo. Useless. So Echo means the screamy ones. Dorian must have been dissecting one. Is this Dorian? Can't risk using the wrong code. Or eye, nose, nipple. This is explodey, not screamy. This is Dorian's subject. Better check around here. Nah. Okay, he moved to Bay 3. R.I.P. Dorian. Ripped to pieces. No good. Nah. Got his code. Okay, Doc, we got power. What do you want me to do with this thing?
You should see a circular opening big enough to stick your arm into.
Okay, I see it.
So, stick your arm into it.
Done. Now what? Got my arm.
Just relax. It has to keep you steady so we can take the sample safely.
Yeah, of course. Come on.
Sounds like you're done. Now, the sample will dispense from the side.
Got it.
Are there worm-like things wriggling around in it?
What?
Kidding. We're good.
You are really not helping, Doc. Okay, I'm out of here. Okay, Ruben. Heading back.
Whoa, not so fast. I still need the equipment to perform the analysis. It's called a blood drive. Looks like a laptop.
Oh, sure. You want some milk? Bread, a fruit basket, maybe? Okay, where is it?
Hopefully at the lifeguard HQ. I sent someone to retrieve it from the pier, but lost contact.
I'll take a look.